Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Roblox can use your microphone and that your account is allowed to use voice. Go to Account Settings and enable voice chat. Verify your age if prompted so the feature appears. Next, give the app mic permission in your operating system and select the correct input device. This prevents apps from using the wrong microphone. Once done, run a quick OS level test. Record 5 to 10 seconds and watch the level meters to confirm sound is reaching your PC. Now you're inside Roblox. Open the in-game settings menu and navigate to audio, then enable voice chat or set the voice mode you prefer. Make sure the game is using the same microphone you set in the OS. If an in-game input selector exists, match it. Adjust input gain so your voice is clear without clipping, and lower output volume to avoid feedback. Also, close background audio apps and update drivers. Using a headset dramatically reduces echo and improves signal-to-noise ratio. Finish by testing voice with a friend in a private server or party so you can get live feedback on clarity and volume. Try mute and unmute or push-to-talk if the game supports it, then relog to apply settings. If you still don't hear or aren't heard, double-check mic permissions, restart Roblox and your computer, and reinstall audio drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to another microphone or headset to isolate whether the issue is the device versus account or software settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.